Gift wrapping is not just about covering a present, it's about making someone feel special even before they open the box. The way you wrap a gift adds personality, thought, and a little magic. So let's explore some creative and beautiful gift wrapping ideas you can try at home. Let's begin with the classic style. Use elegant wrapping paper in soft tones or bold colours, then tie it up with satin or velvet ribbon. To make it unique, slide in a small flower, a charm, or even a handwritten tag under the bow. This simple upgrade gives your gift a polished and graceful look. For those who love eco-friendly wrapping, old newspapers, magazines, or sheet music can look surprisingly stylish. You can also try furoshiki, the Japanese art of wrapping with fabric. A scarf, tea towel, or even a piece of cotton cloth can replace paper, and the fabric becomes part of the gift itself. To decorate, add natural elements like leaves, twigs, dried flowers, or pine cones for a rustic, earthy vibe. Now, if you like the minimalist look, keep it simple with plain white, beige, or craft paper. Add thin black string, jute twine, or a clean ribbon. A wax seal, a stamped design, or a single sprig of greenery can complete the look. Minimal wrapping is timeless and feels very classy, making it perfect for professional or formal occasions. On the other hand, you can go for themed wrapping. For birthdays, try colourful paper, balloons, stickers, or fun ribbons. For weddings, use lace, pearls, and metallic shades like silver or gold. During festive seasons, whether it's Christmas, Eid, or New Year, experiment with glitter ribbons, shiny foil papers, and seasonal motifs like stars, ornaments, or crescent moons. Themed wrapping sets the mood even before the gift is unwrapped. Another way to stand out is through DIY decorations. Instead of buying fancy toppers, you can make your own. Try origami bows, paper flowers, or even hand-drawn doodles directly on the wrapping paper. Add buttons, beads, or handmade tags for a personal touch. If you're wrapping a child's gift, stick on their favourite cartoon stickers or candy bars as part of the decoration. These little details make your gift one of a kind. You can also think beyond wrapping paper with creative alternatives. Use mason jars for small items, woven baskets for hampers, or wooden boxes for a luxury feel. Tote bags, pillowcases, or cloth pouches not only look different, but can also be reused. Wrapping with transparent cellophane layered over coloured tissue paper adds a shiny finish and makes the gift stand out. And don't forget the power of personalisation. A custom message tag, the recipient's name written in calligraphy, or even a photo attached to the package makes the gift much more memorable. Personalised wrapping shows that you didn't just buy a present, you put thought into every little detail. So whether you prefer classic elegance, eco-friendly simplicity, minimal aesthetics, or bold festive themes, the way you wrap your gift can turn an ordinary item into a memorable experience. The wrapping becomes part of the surprise, part of the joy. Remember, it's not just about what's inside, it's about the care and creativity you show on the outside too. Gift much more memorable. Personalised wrapping shows that you didn't just buy a present, you put thought into every little detail. So whether you prefer classic elegance, eco-friendly simplicity, minimal aesthetics, or bold festive themes, the way you wrap your gift can turn an ordinary item into a memorable experience. The wrapping becomes part of the surprise, part of the joy. Remember, it's not just about what's inside, it's about the care and creativity you show on the outside too.
Thanks for watching.